We went to the Seniors Expo to promote library services, but what that also gave us was a great opportunity to find out what the needs were of the seniors in our community.
While our team was promoting library services and finding out the needs of our seniors, I was talking to seniors to find out their behaviours, their worldviews, their values, the language they like to use and how they like to be informed. We compiled all this knowledge into the LibComs tool.
I had scheduled an event that had been designed for seniors. We knew there was interest in the topic, but the event hadn't generated much interest. So I contacted our marketing officer and asked if there was anything we could do.
I got a call from Nana and she was concerned about the bookings that we had for one of our events, which was on retirement living options. So what I did was I went to LibComs and I searched for information about seniors, and I had noticed that Melissa and Michael had actually gone in and updated the information about the seniors in our community, how they like to receive information about our programs and events, and then also information about their values, their preferred language and where to find them. It's really important to go where your customers are.
Within a few days of Kirby adjusting our marketing plan, we had a fully booked event.
I did a survey at the event to find out how people heard about the event and why they chose to attend, and we learnt that the majority of people were there as a result of the adjustments to our marketing activities.
Developing the LibComs tool is not part of my job requirement. Therefore, I work on it mostly in my own time, late at night, after my family has gone to bed. The tool provides a way for anyone in the team to access my knowledge and skills in community engagement, marketing and communications, and to also provide a way for them to contribute their own experiences to our collective knowledge, which benefits the team as a whole. As I develop the tool, I gradually select team members to help test LibComs and provide feedback at a pace that we can manage.
I'm working with Michael to test and develop LibComs. I'm using it to help me plan and develop a better understanding of our Australian South Sea Islander community. My objective is to form strong relationships that will enable us to collaborate and develop resources and assets that will benefit our Aboriginal, Torres Strait and Australian South Sea Islander community.
I'm currently working with Michael to test and develop LibComs. Townsville City Libraries are launching a new service that will allow our members to access independent documentaries and films. The LibComs tool is assisting us to understand our community members better who will utilise the streaming of videos. This will enable us to develop a targeted promotions and marketing plan that will give us value for money.
I'm helping out to test and develop the community events calendar of LibComs that will help our library decide when to plan events and identify opportunities for partnerships and collaborations with community groups ahead of time.
I'm helping to test and develop the programs and services suite of LibComs so that when I'm away next year for study, the marketing officer who will backfill me can quickly pick up where I left off. The tool also enables anyone in our team to follow my strategies and market a library program or service, including steps on how we use our social media.